Experiencing issues with the double press gesture to skip forward on your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. Released in September 2024, these earbuds use capacitive touch on the force sensor stem, but sensitivity can be finicky. First, ensure your AirPods Pro 3 are updated to the latest firmware, iOS 18.3 or later. Go to Settings, General, About, AirPods on your paired iPhone. A common fix is to clean your earbuds thoroughly, as debris can block the sensors. Also, try resetting your AirPods by holding the Setup button on the case for 30 seconds while the AirPods are inside. These steps resolve the issue for most users. The press twice to skip forward function relies on quick, firm taps with under 0.5 seconds between taps. This feature uses capacitive sensors on the earbud stem to detect pressure and tap speed. Factors like dry skin, wearing gloves, or humid environments can interfere with the capacitive sensors. If problems persist, Bluetooth interference from nearby devices might cause delays in gesture recognition. Looking ahead, Apple is rumored to enhance firmware with AI-driven gesture learning in future AirPods Pro models, adapting to individual tap styles. If the issue continues, contact Apple support, but for many users, simple troubleshooting steps provide a fix.